Hello, the purpose of this video is to explain the charting and representing section of carbohydrates too. When you start studying the biochemistry of the macronutrients, it can become complicated very quickly. For example, here, this is the structure of glucose here. If you put glucose together with a glucose, you get a maltose molecule. You don't need to know how to draw those fancy structures. What you do need to be able to tell me is what those structures are made up of. For example, if you have a maltose unit, you should be able to tell me that that's actually made up of 2 glucose units. One strategy to study and remember things like this is to use a representation and build objects using that representation. So for example, if I use this sparkly red pom-pom to represent glucose, I'm going to put a picture of that in the representation column. You have two other monosaccharides, which I'm not going to tell you the names of. You need to find a representation of them as well. For example, I'm going to use the yellow sparkly ball as one of these, and the green as another one. Once you get down to the disaccharides and the polysaccharides section, you are going to use your representations to build the molecules. For example, maltose is putting 2 glucose units together. So I would use my representation from the glucose, and I would show 2 of those things together in order to represent the molecule maltose. In here, monomer means 1 part. You need to write the names of the monosaccharides that make up that disaccharide. So in this area here, you should be writing glucose/glucose to show me that there are 2 glucose units attached together. I hope this video helps to clarify the questions. If you have any more questions, please let me know.